here on the west side of VEN with Norm Reeder, Site Superintendent. I just want to give you an idea today of how ceilings are installed and what the process is for sound mitigation. First off, Norm, you're holding a very interesting piece of aluminum in your hand. You've mentioned to me earlier that is sound bar. Can you just show us how it's installed and how the drywall attaches to that?
Okay, so sound bar is attached to each joist with a screw, and then when the drywall is installed, the drywall is screwed into the midpoints.
Okay.
And it's both layers of 5/8 drywall.
And that's a Type X fire rated drywall?
It's a Type X fire rated drywall. That is a code requirement.
Okay. I also understand from our discussion was that the main point here is that the drywall doesn't come into contact with the floor joist above.
Correct.
So there's no sound transfer.
So what you have is the only points of contact are the actual points where the sound bar is screwed in, and then the weight of the drywall itself actually allows this sound bar to pull free of the joist pattern so that there's a slight gap, so that the only point of contact is just where those screws go.
And I noticed that the insulation you have above, is that a 6-inch insulation?
Yes, it's about a 6-inch soundproof insulation.
Okay, and that's that same product, that's an R20?
Yes.
Okay. And one of the things, on every floor, there is a gypcrete product, and there's a few layers. Can you just quickly talk about that?
Yes, there is a 1/2-inch layer of sound mat.
Yes.
That sits on the floor, and then again, around the perimeter walls of the suite, there is a buffer of a layer of.
Is it like a Customat or?
No, it's styrofoam.
Okay.
So it's about a 1/4 inch thick, 2 inches high. That breaks the sound, or it breaks the gypcrete from the building wall, so that there is a separation, so that it minimizes the amount of sound that can transfer across.
Okay, so very much like the sound bar, so that there is no pieces actually touching.
That
the
is the principle behind it. Is you're breaking the solid barriers.
Okay.
So that you have a soft layer in between that minimizes the sound transference.
Norm, I can't thank you enough for this. Thanks for taking time out of your day, and please stay tuned, folks, for more videos on how VEN construction is coming along. Thanks, Norm.
Thank you.